Good morning, husband. I think I will go to the store today to pick up some psychedelic tacos.
Okay, well, I'm going to go to the hospital and use the bathroom.
I think that's a very good idea. I will also pick up some tie-dye lettuce and leathered cucumber so we can eat like hippies. Break out those bell bottoms.
You know what? I'm going to stay here. The architect said that there was flying butlers, or were those buttresses, whatever buttresses are girl butlers.
Oh, this is my friend Amy. She says you have met before. Amy, do you want to say something to him?
I was going to congratulate you on becoming president, but now I see you have a wife and I despise you forever.
Sir, I won the blanket weaving contest, and I am giving you my winnings: a Stop and Shop coupon, a rock, and a Hello Kitty toy phone.
Great. I can use this coupon to buy rainbow hot dogs, the rock to smash a virus bug on my computer, and the toy phone I shall give to my beautiful wife.
I will take that coupon, and now I have to go to the store. Thanks for the Hello Kitty phone. I can sell it to buy a real phone.
Okay, bye. Now I can look buff. This is to be continued.